Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find Facebook friends by location, city or state. So if you want to find your Facebook friends location, from which city or state they are from, so if you want to know their location, what you have to do is first of all open up your Play Store application, and after opening your Play Store application, and now in the search bar you can search for friends from a specific country that you would like to look from. For example, I would like to look from India, so you just have to search for. So after searching friends from India, here you can find a list of friends who are from India. So if you want to see all of your friends, you just have to tap on see all, and you will find all the friends who are from that country. So you can choose different countries. So now I would like to choose from Nepal, so if I'll search for friends from Nepal, so here I will come up with the list of friends who are from Nepal. You can just tap on see all and you can see every single friend that is from Nepal. So this is how to find Facebook friends by location of the city or state. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.